It's like 7 o'clock and I'm just gonna go skate this 3-stair. I am gonna try to get as many tricks that I can and just see if I can get warmed up. It's pretty late. To be honest with you guys, I've never even been kicked out of this spot. Maybe one time. If I land this first try. Tell that boy to hit that shit. Hey, rip that thing. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, call the fire department. I toe dragged like a motherfucker on that one. Well guys, you saw what happened. I'm just gonna call it there. I pretty much landed no tricks today, but you know, that's just part of it. I'm gonna go hit a workout tonight. Probably need it. Oh shit, why is he swerving into me, bro? We're gonna go have lunch in Columbia and then I'll probably drive an hour to Greenville and go skate Companion Skate Park. That'd be tight.
Yeah, they're gonna go after these. I like a big shoe on the inside.
You got about 20%.
Yeah.
Oh, and you got the front. Oh, that's lit. That's fire.
I guess I do have to get a clip and like say what's up.
I'll take it.
Yo, what's up? This is my homie Core. We haven't seen each other in like 15 years.
Yeah, man. I was like, what? Damn, that's crazy. 13, 15 years. So I was like 10, 11 years old, bro. That's crazy.
I was 11.
Niggas are 11. That's crazy.
Yeah,
come from West Hartford out to South Carolina, and I'm gonna be around soon. You're gonna see me more soon. Watch. That shit's happening for sure.
Oh yeah, I might have to stop by Blue Tile, see if they got some wheels for me.
Dude, it took me 3 tries to drop it on the low block now. Has all those little...
All right, guys. Well, the second I walked in there, someone was pretty much checking out, and they were like, "Yeah, I need to get out of here before I spend all my money." And leaving Blue Tile, I definitely felt the same way. I bought some 54s. That's the shape right there. And then, you know, Mom got the U-toe board. Got the cursed red ply on top.
No! Let's fucking go!